Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Stephanie Moiko and today we're talking about navigation. Now, in website designing, you have many things to think about. And so you have content, you have, let's see, videos, and many more designs to think about. Now, in designing websites, there's a crucial thing you need to think about. That is navigation. According to Google, navigation is how navigation is how a visitor comes into your website and sees the contents of it. Now, navigation allows the user to go back and forth between the pages that you have in your site. Now, there are many sectors to think about when it comes to navigation. And today, we'll be discussing 3 topics. In the course that we're studying today, we'll be talking about one of the first 3 sections of Article 7 of Human-Computer Interaction, which is, of course, the topic of today's video, navigation. Now, the first of these sections talks about providing navigational options. Now, in making a website, you have a home page and you have the other sites that come with it. But when you're going to make the user go out of the home page where the navigation is more prominent, you have to consider giving the user the option of backing out of that site. You have to make sure that every page that you're going to include in your website has a way out. You have directions, you have doors. How can you make a website that has entrances but no exits? So you have to use your brain and make sure that you include a way out. Now let's talk about the second section, which is differentiate and group the navigation elements. Now, you have many links to consider when you're making in your navigation bar. All you have to do is make sure that you make them distinct enough that they don't look the same, so that the user could accidentally click another when they're trying to click the one they want. But you have to make them consistent. Don't design your navigation bar with different fonts or different sizes, because the key to making a good website look good is making it simple enough that it's not complicated to look at, but not cluttered. It's clean and it's not cluttered. So you have to make sure that, such as in how you make a website, you have to make the navigation uniform but distinct, individuality and a sense of uniformity. Now let's talk about the last section, using clickage list of contents on long pages. Have you ever been on a site where there's a list of contents on the side that when you click on it, it moves you further down the page that you're on? Well, that's the point of section 3, where because you have a long page, for example, you have an about page that's like 10 paragraphs long. Now, what you want to do is that you have to categorize each part of your content and put them somewhere accessible to the user, so that when they click on it, they immediately go to that part without having to scroll down a lot of text so that they reach the part that they want to know about. This is important because accessibility is one of the keys in making a nav bar. You don't want them to wander around. You don't want them to get lost in your content or have to be frustrated so that they get what they came for. You want them to be crisp, clear, and concise. You want them to get what they want fast. That's how a site should work. That they get what they came for and fast, so that they patronize your site and they always visit. That's it. That's what you need to do. Long pages are really frustrating, so why bother making them go through the hard work of reading everything unless you're sadistic or something? And that's about it. Those are the 3 sections of the Article 7 of navigation. Now, if you have any questions, comment down below and make sure to like the video, share it with your friends, and if you haven't, click on the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you get the latest updates of my channel. That's it for today. Thanks for watching and have a good one.